You don't say if person walks small, you suppose test something. Let me see. Let me quickly shut down. Yeah, and take some tea, okay? Yeah, I've shut down. So let's take tea. Yeah, the laptop can wait. You don't say all work and no play make Madam Peku a dull woman. And here you know say I don't be dull woman. I be sabi woman. All right, join me and take tea, okay? But before you do that, I have been telling you about New Banana Island all this while. And New Banana Island now for Port-Harcourt City in Rivers State, Nigeria, heart of Port-Harcourt town. Now, inside this New Banana Island, we have plots of land, layouts. Are you getting me? That you can just buy, fence it, and build your house. If it's a commercial plot, you build plaza, mall, school, or any business place. All right, we have such layouts you can just buy and build whatever you want. All right, then inside this Banana Island as well, we have service estates. All right, and currently the service estate that we have in New Banana Island is going for 12 million naira and is called PrimeRose Court. PrimeRose Court is a service estate that has perimeter fencing, recreational center, it has golf in it, it has mall, market, school, swimming pool, and so many other wonderful things. The security is top notch. The water, everything is well planned and arranged for you. And currently, the PrimeRose Court is going for just 12 million naira. After now, if I tell you say na 20 million, no doubt am, because of the level where people just they rush, they call me, they collect this estate. So I want you to have a home in PrimeRose Court. That's why you need to quickly dial the number on the screen, which is 090-3429-6519, to call me so that you can get your own slot. You need 2 plots, 3 plots, 5 plots, 10 plots, 20 plots, any amount. We go runner is available for you. Quickly call Madam Peku Africa on 090-3429-6519. And now all the way from Mercy Divine Properties Limited, now they give you this Ogbonge PrimeRose Court estates. Are you getting me? And now Madam Good News, aka Madam Peku Africa, now they tell you about her. I don't talk too much, I need to sip tea, isn't it? Yeah. Yes, so I'm waiting for you, and you will never regret buying this real estate. Okay, you can later turn it into big investment for yourself. I want you to have more than 1 plot in PrimeRose Court. Are they wait for you?